Let me tell you how I went from this to this
6 o'clock on a Saturday.
in a matter of hours.
Every trip can be a 10 out of 10.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Denver, where the local time is 6:16 p.m. Please note the 1-hour time zone change between Central Time Zone and Mountain Time Zone.
Right now, my elevation is 8450. Going to try to go snow tubing if I can get a ticket. If we can make it happen. And then dog sledding. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to go dog sledding because they wanted $250. And that included like overnight. I'm an adventure person, but I got in. Got the tube. Now I'm taking this tram all the way to the top. They have 2 hills on this snow tubing. One, I guess, just for regular. They have another one for more adventurous people. Man, I'm out of breath. Being 8,000 feet above sea level, when you're an Oklahoman, when you're used to being at barely 1,000 or maybe 1,500, air is really thin. This is definitely going to be something this weekend, because I think the place where I'm going eventually is like over 10,000, 13,000 feet. I'm going to have fun though. Gotta get started. It's like you need somebody to push you to get a good start. I'm coming. Here I go. First time down the hill. Oh, I'll turn sideways. Oh man. Ah, snow in my face. Oh. Oh. I can't see. Oh. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bump you. I can't do that again. I'm gonna do it again. Here it goes. Trip number 2, y'all. No, keep turning sideways. As you can see, I am not a good snow tuber. I don't know how to stay straight. Everybody else is staying straight. I keep spinning. Now I'm at the top of the tall hill. It looks straight down from here, but it's not. But it looks like it. Here we go. Oh! know how many more times I can go up. Tired. I don't know what this is, but you know that I'm about to find out. What I think it is like equivalent in Oklahoma where people go mudding. It's like they're just out there on the lake. Man, if I can find my way to get out there and drive on this ice, that'll make my trip. Okay. What they're doing is they're about to have a race on the ice. It's a track laid out. And I cannot enter the race, even though that would have been so fun. I cannot enter the race because I don't own the vehicle. It's a rental car. But I'm going to see if I can ride with someone that's in the race. Yeah. This is my first time walking on a frozen lake. I want to get closer so bad, but I know that's not smart. Oxygen. Being up here 10,000 plus feet, I'm sucking wind. Pure oxygen feels good though. Never had it. Here in Breckenridge, the gondola is closed, so I can't get up to the top of the mountain because they said it's an hour and a half wait to come back down. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. Dog sledding is out. It's like it's almost a winter storm here. It's packed. A lot more people than I expected. It's almost 5 o'clock. And people are still coming, just packed with people. Didn't expect this. We gotta go. I think it's about time to call this quits for this trip. I'm not used to, cold is okay, but this is a different kind of cold. It's 22 degrees and I'm layered up, which is I'm supposed to be, but I'm hot. And I think I'm about to overheat. Yeah, I think I'm about to call this quits for the day and go back to the room. I'm literally sitting here with the windows down. 22 degrees with windows down. That's how hot I am.
This is not how I saw this trip going. 6 o'clock on a Saturday, in bed about to get in the shower. Every trip can be a 10 out of 10, but being at 13,000 feet above sea level, it's not for this Oklahoma City girl. Back to Oklahoma.